commented, napaka low-key yun na ni Alexa. Yeah, we're just we're enjoying our privacy na. Kasi, I don't know, people like to comment stuff kasi. Pero, when you're private, people comment less. And people can't judge it. You can't judge something that's private. Favorite photo of Alexa in your cam? I can't show. I'm not allowed to show. I don't think it's I want to keep it private. Hayaan mo na si Alexa, binubudol mo lang siya. Wala ka lang love life eh. Block. Hindi. Kaya, ayun eh. Kaya yun eh, di ba? Kaya di ako nagpo-post eh.